Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel PB365 MS Office. So today we'll talk about merge function. So how we can two column data merge into one column, right? So you can see here this is the first name or this is the last name and we need to club these name and write in these cells, okay? So this data may be in thousand and can be very tedious job. To avoid this tedious job, we'll learn about the merge function. So what we have to do, just click here where you need the data to be merged. Okay. So this is a fs function. Click on this. Okay. The moment you click here, so I have already searched this concatenant. Okay. So might be it is not visible once you start first time, so better you type here concatenant, right? So the moment I have typed here enter, you will find the related function. So this is the blue highlighted and I'll press OK. So this type of window will pop up. Okay, you can merge 255 tags into one cell, okay, by clicking this way. Okay, so but first we need to club two first name and last name. So you can see this is the Ram and this is the Singh. Okay, Singh is the last name and Ram is the first name. Okay, so you need to put the value here. The first value is Amit Singh. So click on this. Okay, the moment I clicked here, you can see the C6. What is C6? 6 row and C column. So this is the identification of this cell, right? And if you need to put the space, just press space bar one times. Okay, the moment you press it and click in next, so you can see there is the sign of double quote, so it will automatically come up. Okay, so I'll select last name here. So this is the sample. How is look like Amit Singh. If you want to put something else between first name and last name, just delete this one and put the dash. Then you can see here dash will appear. Or if you want to add something like I'll put the double colon, then see this is showing the double colon, but I'll keep it just space and then press OK. See, the moment I have pressed enter on OK, then the name has been clubbed. Okay, now it's together Amit and Singh. Okay, and I'll drag it. Now it is copied in all the cells. Okay, so and if you want to change something, I'll change this name. So see that whatever you may change it and changes will appear here. And if you want to copy this data, although it is the formulated, sometime when you copy Control C and then paste here, okay, so it is pasted, but sometimes you face the problem. So what you need to do, just delete this one, okay, and select and Control C copy and then click here, right click. You can see the special paste special. So once you go to the paste special, then see here then value, okay, not all value. So once you click on the value, then press OK. So this special paste function only apply when you are not getting the copy data after some when you apply the function. So sometimes you face the problem. So this is the additional info for you. So I'll delete this one and see the moment I click here, this is the formula detail. Okay, is equal to concatenant and open bracket, and this is the cell value, the cell identification value with respect to the first name. If you click here, then the second name, and if you click here, this is the third name. So by this way, guys, you can apply this function, merge function, to data column in one column. If you have that 1000 of line item, then you may face a lot of problem and this is the tedious job. Okay, in this way you can simplify your work. And guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.